Hi everyone, in this video I will find the Fourier series expansion of f of x in the f of x equals minus k in the interval minus pi comma 0 and k in the interval 0 comma pi, and hence I will deduce the answer pi by 4 is equals to 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 and so on. Again here the interval is minus pi comma pi. So length of the interval is 2l, upper this one pi minus of minus pi, that is pi plus pi. So pi plus pi becomes 2 pi, that is 2l is equals to 2 pi, which implies l is pi. Now I'll find the constant a naught. So a naught formula is given by 1 by pi. So limits will be minus pi to pi since the interval is minus pi to pi. So f of x dx. The function is defined in two intervals. So therefore I will write it as integral from minus pi to 0. Here the function is minus k into dx plus integral from 0 to pi. Here the function is k into dx. K is a constant, so therefore 1 by pi into, so its integration will be minus kx, the limits are minus pi to 0, plus here kx, the limits are 0 to pi. Substitute the limits, 1 by pi into minus k is a constant, upper limit for x you substitute upper limit 0, minus lower limit is minus pi, plus k into upper limit is pi and lower limit is 0. So therefore 1 by pi into minus of minus pi is 0, minus k into pi plus minus k pi, and this is plus k pi. So minus k pi and plus k pi gets cancelled, we'll get a naught as 0. So if a naught is 0, a naught by 2 will also be 0. Next an. So an is 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx. Integrate this one, 1 by pi into, now split it into two integrals, minus pi to 0, here minus k, function is minus k into cos nx dx plus 0 to pi, here the function is k into cos nx dx. Again k will be constant, I will take it outside, so write it as k by pi minus cos integration will be sin nx by n, limits minus pi to 0, and here it will k I have taken common, cos integration will be sin nx by n. The limits are 0 to pi. See, both the terms become 0 because it is a sine function and the limits are 0 and pi. So therefore this term will also be 0 and this term will also be 0. So therefore what is an? An is 0. Now I will find the next constant, that is bn. So bn is given by 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi f of x sin nx dx. You split it into two integrals, 1 by pi minus pi to 0. Here the function is minus k into sin nx dx plus 0 to pi. Here the function is k into sin nx dx. So again I will take this k common here also, here as well as here. So if you take k common, so it will be k by pi. Here minus is there. Sin integration will be minus cos nx by n plus again here sin integration will be minus cos nx by n. So here the limits are minus pi to 0 and here the limits are 0 to pi. Now, so what is this? K by pi and also I can take n common in the denominator. Minus into minus plus, upper limit is cos 0 minus lower limit is cos of n into minus pi. N into minus pi. This is this term. And here it will be minus upper limit is cos n pi and lower limit is cos 0. So therefore, here k by pi n, cos 0 is 1 and this will be cos n pi minus cos n pi and cos 0 will be 1, so minus of minus 1 will be plus 1. So you just simplify it, k by pi n into 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 2 cos n pi. So take 2 common, so it will be 2k by pi n into 1 minus cos n pi is minus 1 to the power of n. So this is bn. So now write the Fourier series expansion, that is f of x is equals to a naught by 2 plus summation n equals 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation n equals 1 to infinity bn sin nx. So substitute the function f of x as it is. So this is a naught is 0, an is also 0, summation n is equals to 1 to infinity. This is 2k by pi n is equal into 1 minus 1 to the power of n into sin nx. So that is f of x is equals to 2k by pi limits n is equals to 1 to infinity 1 minus of minus 1 bar n divided by n into sin nx. To get the required answer, I will substitute, put x is equals to pi by 2. So what is f of x? F of x is equals to k in the interval 0 to pi. So therefore, f of pi by 2 will be k. So I will substitute that f of pi by 2 is equals to 2k by pi summation n equals 1 to infinity 1 minus 1 power n divided by n into sin n pi by 2. So f of pi by 2 is k is equals to 2k by pi. I will expand the summation now. If n is 1, this will be minus 1 to the power of 1. So which means it will be 2 by n. 2 by n means 1 and this is sine pi by 2. So if n is 2, this becomes 1 minus 1. Minus 1 whole square will be 1. So therefore 1 minus 1 will be 0. If n is 3, again this becomes minus 1, minus into minus plus, we will get 2 by 3 and sine 3 by 2, 3 pi by 2. When n is 4, it will be 0. When n is 5, again this becomes a minus 1, so it will be 2 by 5 sine 5 pi by 2. So next term will also be 0, so it will continue like that. So in the left hand side, this 2k will gets cancelled, it becomes pi by 2. When you cross multiply, it is pi by 2. And if you take 2 common, it will be 2 into sine pi by 2 is 1 plus 1 by 3 into sine 3 pi by 2. Sine 3 by 2 is minus 1 plus I have taken 2 common, 1 by 5 into sine 5 pi by 2 is 1 and so on. So I'll cross multiply 2, so it becomes pi by 4, that is 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Next will be minus 1 by 7 and so on. So this is how we will find the Fourier series expansion. Thank you.